6 of me trying to knit this MLB sweater that I designed in honor of the World Series, and I am this far into the front panel. It still looks weird to me. Like, I've stared at it for way too long. It just looks so weird, but like from afar it looks normal. When I get up close it just looks weird. I don't know. I don't know. It just looks weird. Like, I just see Big Bird whenever I look at it, but like I don't know. Anyway, so I'm going to finish the front panel, and then I'm going to steam block it and then connect the panels together, you know, not create my armholes, but like measure my armholes and all that stuff, and then start on the collar. No, not start on the collar, finish the collar. And then, yeah, I think I'll end that off for today. I think my goal will be to just finish the front panel, connect the panel, and then I'll start on the sleeve tomorrow. No, I was gonna say something crazy. No, I'm not even gonna say it. Anyway, start on the sleeve tomorrow and then go from there. So let's get it. Okay, I finished one, what is this called? A shoulder, I guess, and this is how it looks. Looking good. Is it hard to see because I'm wearing black? I don't know. Let me turn the light on so you guys can see better. Okay. So, this is how it looks. Is it still hard to see? I don't know. Anyway, this is what it's looking like. Now I'm gonna start on this one. It looks so weird. I can't get over it. I wonder if you guys think it looks weird, or if you guys are like, girl, that looks so normal. I don't even know what you're talking about. I don't know. I've been staring at it for way too long, and now it just looks like a bird to me. It doesn't even look like a man hitting a bat. I don't know. I don't know. And I think it's the nose, like, I don't know. I'm literally in a crisis. It's like it looks normal at times, and then it looks weird. I don't know. Anyway, let's just focus on what I can do. All right, let's get started. Okay, guys, I finished the front panel. So now I'm going to steam block it and put it on blocking mats. My front panel finished blocking. Now I'm getting ready to attach the panels together and then sew it. Well, I don't sew it, you know, attach it. Well, I already said attach the panels together, so that already implies that I am. Anyway, I'm going to attach the panels and then figure. I'm just gonna attach the panels and then work on a collar. I don't know why I made that so hard. Let's get it. Okay guys, so this is how the sweater is looking. This is the front, and then the World Series in the back. I definitely love the World Series words, but I don't like it in the front. I don't know why. Also, look how wide my neckline is. What? This is an accident. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. I don't know why I did this. But yeah, this is how it's looking. I'm thinking maybe I should have done the stripes right here, but whatever. Okay, I don't know. I don't think I'm feeling the front panel with this. I don't know, guys. I think I'm overthinking it. I don't know. I can't stare at it for too long. I gotta. I honestly don't even feel like finishing attaching the panel, so I'm just gonna finish it tomorrow. So, see you then.